Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve one particular error that I am facing when I am trying to execute that particular project, the IT combination system, and I'm trying to run that manage.py file. So getting that import error, couldn't import Django. Are you sure it's installed and available on your path environment variable? So let's install the Django. Pip install the Django. Then enter. So requirement already satisfied. Try to again run the project. Now it is working. Now this will resolve the issue and project is open. Let's minimize. Now that will be the problem. Import error. Cannot import name parent spec and from typing extensions. And import error. Couldn't import Django. And are you sure it's installed and available on your path environment variable? And this will be the solution. We have to install Django library. First, we have to check that Python is successfully installed in that system or not. So just write git environment variable. You have to click on the Windows key. Okay, just click on the environment variable, then double click on path. So Python 3.8 is already downloaded and installed in the system. So just double click on the path and Control C. Then okay, then close all those and just paste the location here. You can see page 3.8 is already downloaded and installed in that system. Script folder location also added in the environment variable. So that will be the solution of that particular problem. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you have doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're facing any error in your project, then just let me know in the comment section, or you can contact us on WhatsApp as well. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with the friend. Thank you.